Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the channel. And again, I'm a nurse that looks for side hustles. I love to find ways to make extra income. And what I'm going to be trying to do for the next few months is something that I stumbled upon on YouTube, and that was being an Amazon influencer. It seems like a super easy way to slowly start getting commissions. And what do I mean by Amazon influencers? So you're able to get paid for reviewing products on Amazon. And this is actually different than the affiliate program, which I know a lot of us probably have. We could have your affiliate link, then you link it somewhere, and then someone buys that product off your link and you get a little bit of a kickback. So the Amazon influencer program is a little bit different, whereas as long as people see your video, actually like watch your video and then buy the product at some point, it seems like you're going to get commission off of it. And the commission varies all the way up to like, I think 20% of the sale value. And the thing that's really cool about this is that as many YouTube videos as I've seen, they say it's passive, but obviously it's not, because you have to make videos to do it. But for the most part, these videos don't really take long. They're anywhere from a minute to 3 minutes long. And it seems like Amazon wants you to have to look as authentic as possible. So they don't want you to have so many like jump cuts or too many edits like that. And that's why I also feel like they have a way to vet who actually gets the Amazon influencer program. But to actually get in it seems actually very easy. So if we're to go back and how do you become an Amazon influencer, you got to go to the website and you could just look up Amazon influencer and then you could go there and get started. So what you do need though is some sort of active social media with a decent following. I've watched YouTube videos and I've heard podcasts saying where some people don't even have a lot of followers and they get approved. But if you want to make sure you get approved, you just have to have an active YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a business Facebook page that seems to be active and has, in my opinion, a decent amount of followers where they will approve you right on the spot once you apply for that end. But to get paid, you need to have on-site commissions. And what do I mean by on-site commissions? That means after you make these videos, they're going to put your Amazon reviews onto the Amazon page, onto like the Amazon bar, all the stuff like that, to help promote those products. And to get on-site commissions, you need to send in three videos of yourself reviewing products, and then apparently that goes to an actual person that reviews those videos, and then they'll approve you from there. And for me, it took me about 5 days from the time I sent in those videos to get approved through on-site commissions. I've heard as little as 2 to 3 days, and I've also heard as much as like 3 months from all the YouTube videos that I've seen where people talk about Amazon influencer program. So luckily for me, actually not luckily for me, because I thought you could get paid right away after you get into that first acceptance of into the Amazon influencer program, not with the on-site commissions. So I made like 30 reviews. And since you're allowed to up to 15 a day, I did like 10, 10, 10, like 3 days in a row. I just uploaded them. And obviously all the YouTubers says, don't upload too many videos until you get approved. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't look that up. So I end up YouTubing all of the stuff that what is most likely going to get approved. And that was the ones kind of like this, where we're talking and then I'll like hold the product up and then I have to keep the product in line with me and we'll talk about it the whole time. And so I pretty much deleted, I did delete 20, I left 6 on there. So if I had 30, I deleted 24 of them off my Amazon storefront just so they could be seen. And I probably should have just left 3, but I felt like they all had similar value and it was okay to leave the other 3 on there. And so I end up getting approved. You get this like awesome little email saying, congratulations, you're approved for the on-site commissions, and then you're able to start getting paid. And I've only been approved for maybe like a week and a half now, not even. And I've got a whopping 66 cents. And so I'm actually proud of that. It actually shows that it does work, but I need to figure out how to do it more efficiently. So from what all the other YouTubers say, you should just record and review all the products in your house that you probably bought from Amazon. And on a side note, one of the cool things is about this Amazon influencer program is that it doesn't have to be bought from Amazon, the thing that you're reviewing, as long as it can be bought on Amazon. And then you're totally allowed to review it, which is a very cool thing because obviously Amazon probably holds everything. But if you bought something at Walmart, Target, anything like that, any kind, or Costco, who knows, whatever product that could be bought on Amazon can be reviewed and put on the Amazon influencer program, which makes it super simple to review anything. And then if you really didn't know if something was bought or can be bought on Amazon, if you go into the Amazon app, you can actually use the video lens, the picture lens, and it will show you it. So my goal to be honest, I think I'm just going to do it a whole bunch. I'm not sure how long I'll do it, but I have a feeling it's going to be a consistent side hustle that I'm going to keep trying because I'm already buying so many things off of Amazon. Might as well review it. Might as well put it up on the Amazon platform and see if anyone clicks on my videos and see if anyone buys that same product and see if I get commission. Because obviously I wouldn't be in front of a camera if I didn't like talking about stuff. And so I feel like this is just an easy side hustle to do. Is it passive? No. Am I making a lot of money? Currently, no. But I've also heard a lot of people making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $6,000 a month. But of course, they're treating it like a full time instead of like a little side hustle, a little hobby. So that is something that I'll have to check for myself. But I'm going to go on this Amazon influencer reviewing journey, and I hope you guys come along with me. And for all the nurses out there looking for side hustles, this might be one of them, because if you buy stuff off Amazon, might as well review it. Might as well try to see if you can get some money out of it. It's better than working an OT shift if you could get to that type of money. And obviously, I'd rather be right here in my office than at the hospital doing an extra shift. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys follow me on this journey, on this Amazon reviewing influencer journey. And guys, check out the links down below if you want to check out my affiliate links to get free stocks, get free money somehow, as well as the podcast. Definitely check out the podcast, and I will see you guys very soon.